Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Word and a new document. This gets you into the live environment. Once done, go to the Home ribbon and click the small font dialog launcher at the corner. In that dialog, choose the font family, pick a size, and set style options like bold or italics. After adjusting, click Set as Default and choose whether to apply to this document only or to all documents based on the normal template. This is your first crucial action. Next, make the change robust by modifying the normal style. This controls most paragraph text. You open the Styles pane, right-click Normal and choose Modify, then pick the same font and size you set earlier, adjust spacing and line height if needed. Once configured, make sure to check New Documents based on this template so the change writes into normal. Datum. Save and close the dialog. This ensures new documents inherit your font choices, so you won't repeat. Finally, confirm the defaults by creating a new document and verifying the font and size. Make sure headings and body text match your expectations. Save a backup copy of normal. Datum if you customize templates heavily, and restart Word to ensure settings persist. If settings revert, check for template corruption or interfering add-ins. Delete or rename normal. Datum to let Word recreate it, or run Word as administrator to reapply defaults. This single troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.